Crash course on Denmark. Local cuisine, cultural festivals and traditions. Welcome to Denmark, a country known for its delectable cuisine and vibrant cultural celebrations. Let's dive into the world of Danish food, festivals, and traditions that make this nation unique and exciting. Danish cuisine. Danish cuisine is a delightful blend of traditional flavors and modern innovations. One of the most famous traditional dishes is the Smørrebrød, an open-faced sandwich topped with various ingredients like herring, roast beef, or smoked salmon. Don't miss the mouthwatering Æbleskiver, a sweet spherical pancake often enjoyed during Christmas markets. For a unique culinary experience, explore Denmark's thriving food scene, with numerous Michelin-starred restaurants offering innovative dishes inspired by local produce and seasonal ingredients. Cultural festivals and traditions. Denmark is a nation that cherishes its cultural heritage and celebrates it with enthusiasm. One of the most iconic festivals is the Danish Midsummer's Eve, known as Sankt Hans Aften. On this night, bonfires are lit across the country, and people gather to sing and celebrate the arrival of summer. The Christmas season is equally enchanting, with festive markets, sparkling lights, and warm gløgg, mulled wine, to keep you cozy during the winter months. Another beloved tradition is the St. Lucia's Day on December 13th, where a procession of young girls in white dresses and candles on their heads brings light and joy to the darkness of winter. Top 12 attractions of local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions in Denmark. 1. Tivoli Gardens. Experience the magical Christmas markets and festive celebrations. 2. Aarhus Festival, a vibrant arts and cultural festival held annually in Aarhus. 3. Roskilde Festival, one of Europe's largest music festivals, held near Roskilde. 4. The Round Tower, Rundetårn, enjoy breathtaking views and cultural events in Copenhagen. 5. National Museum of Denmark, explore the country's cultural history and traditions. 6. Hans Christian Andersen Museum, learn about the life and works of the famous author. 7. Christmas markets, experience the enchanting Christmas markets throughout the country. 8. Skagen Festival, a renowned folk music festival held in Skagen. 9. Viking Ship Museum, dive into Denmark's Viking heritage and maritime traditions. 10. The Royal Danish Ballet, witness stunning ballet performances in Copenhagen. 11. Aalborg Carnival, a lively and colorful carnival parade in Aalborg. 12. Louisiana Museum of Modern Art, embrace contemporary art and culture in Humlebæk. In summary, Denmark's local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions offer a glimpse into the heart of this captivating nation. From traditional dishes to vibrant celebrations, Denmark embraces its heritage with pride. Explore the top attractions and immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry that Denmark has to offer. And now, let's celebrate Denmark's culinary delights and cultural heritage with a poem. In Denmark's land of culinary art. Smørrebrød delights, a work of heart. Æbleskiver sweet, on Christmas night. A joyous feast, a pure delight. Festivals shine, Sankt Hans Aften's grace. Bonfires ablaze, summer's embrace. St. Lucia's Day, a luminous sight. Bringing warmth, in winter's white. Tivoli's charm, a Christmas glow. Aarhus Festival, creativity and flow. Roskilde's music, hearts unite. In melodies, under the starry night. Hans Christian Andersen's tales, inspire. In Skagen's Folkfest, souls acquire. Viking heritage, on ships they sail. A culture's tale, in museums unveiled. Ballet's grace, enchanting dance. Aalborg Carnival, colors enhance. Louisiana's art, modern and bold. A cultural journey, to behold. So, embrace Denmark's vibrant artistry. In cuisine and festivals, a grand tapestry. Let's travel and explore, hearts filled with glee. A land of wonders, Denmark we decree. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.